in Poland right now.
You sure are.
I'm staying at the Coca-Cola building. Official name. The guy isn't gonna let us in for half an hour, so right now we're gonna scrounge around for food.
Easy enough. Let's go do it.
What's happening today?
Went to the grocery store, as habit, grabbed a bunch of stuff. All this good stuff.
Did we do this?
Our view couldn't be any better. Corner apartment in the center of the city. I'm really excited to go see Megan. I think it'll be nice to see family after traveling for, this weekend is 7 weeks.
It's going quick.
Wow. We're gonna take a 5-hour awesome bus ride. That's gonna be like our best mode of transportation yet. For $5.50 a person, travel across the country.
And right now we have just over an hour until the bus leaves. So we're gonna go see as much of Warsaw as possible.
In this 1 hour.
Okay, so my cousin Megan just finished high school in Michigan. She won a scholarship through her Rotary Club to be part of an exchange student program. And how crazy is this? Students rank the top 5 countries they'd like to study in, but then only find out their destination a month before leaving for the whole year. So Megan was placed in Bydgoszcz. Her host family was nice enough to invite us for the whole weekend, and we were so excited to get a taste of home. Tourism is not the strongest industry in Bydgoszcz, so Megan hired herself to play the role of tour guide.
Are we hot?
We're hot.
This here, the man fishing over the water statue in Bydgoszcz, Poland. It represents the hard work and struggles of the artists during the 18th century. My favorite part of Poland has been learning the culture and the language and all the nice people. This round part of the building is where Napoleon kept some of his weaponry. Napoleon Bonaparte, to be exact.
You came to Poland?
Yeah.
When?
Oh, a long time ago.
Give me a century. When did Napoleon come to Poland?
Five. Here's a plaque.
Oh, she just read it on the plaque. Oh, here, tell us a new fact.
That's too long. I can't read all that.
Yeah.
It's like a lady, and if you touch the butt, it's like 10 years of good luck or something.
Okay, it's video. Do you want a picture?
Good luck for everyone.
Oh my God, a fountain. This is great, this is great.
Right.
Now tell us.
This commemorates Noah's Ark. You know, Noah. You know, the Ark.
Ducks on date.
They're not actually.
That's the worst date ever. Oh, here's our friends. There they go. The last stop on Megan's tour was actually the #1 Tripadvisor thing to do in Bydgoszcz, the Soap Museum.
Please follow me. And first of all, you will make your own soap, and then you will visit our museum with tour guides.
All right. Oh, look at it.
Yes, take a seat. And I will tell you and explain everything.
Are we the only people in this tour?
In English, yes, because in 10 minutes we start Polish.
Oh, great. Well, thank you. Let's have this moment right now where we're just going to literally just watch things. We're in Poland together. We're just walking down like a rural road in Poland, trusting that Megan knows people down here. Otherwise, this is so random.
I didn't believe us when we were like, we're gonna come visit you.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, right. Oh, you're on your way.
Remember when Tim became fluent in Polish in 48 hours? Remember when Tim knew more about Bydgoszcz than I did after living here for 2 months?
How to pronounce it, yeah.
Except for, he says Bydgoszcz. Bydgoszcz.
Bydgoszcz.
This is your little house.
That's good.
We live here. We were blown away by the overwhelming hospitality of Megan's host family. After 2 months on the road, it was incredible to go to a place that felt like a taste of home. If you're watching, we can't thank you enough for welcoming a couple strangers into your home and making us feel like family for the weekend.
Okay.
No to teraz się podzielimy.
Okay, good luck. Okay, how do you say good luck in Polish?
Powodzenia.
Powodzenia. Powodzenia.
Easy, easy, easy.
We're from down here. What? How'd you do that so easily?
Just ruin it, Meg. You know it.
A quick goodbye to Megan in the car here as we pull into the airport. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We're gonna go stop in Istanbul real quick on the way to Dubai. You go hike into Czech. Great? Great.
Perfect.
All right, ready? Break.